Welcome to the Passport to Rensselaer. For the best experience, click here to make it full screen. Then click the arrow on the side to flip through the digital passport. You'll notice there are links on each page, including web resources and video messages like this one. Just click the link to open the video, then click play.
Hello, I am Dr. Shirley Ann Jackson, President of Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute.
When you are done, click the X to close the video. As you continue to navigate through the passport, some links will take you to a web page. When you are done with the web page, just navigate back to the passport web page in your web browser. Click the plus icon to zoom in, or use the slider to zoom in and out. You can then click and hold to drag the passport's placement on screen. When you're done, click the minus icon to zoom out. If you're looking for something specific, click the magnifying glass to type what you're looking for into the search field. Then use the arrows next to the search field to navigate your search results. Click the X to close the search. When you've completed your passport journey, click here to exit full screen. Another way to quickly navigate the passport is by using this slider. Thank you for participating in the inaugural virtual reunion and homecoming event. We hope you enjoy your passport to Rensselaer.